So here's how we can use the focus screens on the iPhone. Let's get started. If you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So whenever you are on the home screen, you probably know that you can reorganize your apps as much as you like, whatever, but you can also create as many home screen pages, right? So when I click on edit and go to the dots at the bottom, you can see I have so many different pages and I can create a brand new one, by going to the edit mode and going all the way to the right. I can literally start a brand new home screen page to add some apps which I like. And the reason I'm mentioning this is because we can change the pages which show up inside of the focus mode. So as you can tell, I have a bunch of different home screen pages, but I can go to the settings, check out at the focus mode, and for example, go to the work mode, and there I can decide which home screen pages, those which I've shown you before, are going to be showing when I enable the focus mode, right? So, it makes sense because, for instance, I have a home screen page which contains some fun apps or whatever. But when I enable the focus mode, I want to focus on work, for example. I don't want to have quick access to those apps, but instead only to productivity apps, right? So I'm going to select a home screen which only contains the apps I actually need for my work, right? So I can select it like that and click done. And whenever I enable the focus mode, I'll be able to browse only those apps. So it makes sense, right? And I also can adjust the home screen, lock screen, as well as the watch face. So it all works like in unison, and it just nicely synchronized across even the devices. So yeah, it gets the job done well. Let me know if you managed to find it and set it up on your device. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the next tutorials as well.